Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into American history to talk about the top 3 presidents who shaped the United States into the country it is today. These leaders faced incredible challenges and their decisions still impact us all. So let's get started. Our first pick is George Washington, the very first president of the United States. Washington served 2 terms from 1789 to 1797 and he set many of the precedents that still define the presidency today. Washington's leadership during the American Revolution and his role in drafting the constitutions were just the beginning. He understood that the young nation needed a strong, stable government, but he also knew the dangers of holding too much power. That's why he voluntarily stepped down after 2 terms, setting a crucial precedent for future presidents. Some of Washington's key achievements include establishing the cabinet system, ensuring a peaceful transfer of power, and keeping the US neutral during European conflicts, which allowed the nation to grow and strengthen. Washington's vision, integrity, and commitment to democratic principles make him not just a great president but the foundation on which the American presidency was built. Next on our list is Abraham Lincoln, the 16th president of the United States, who served from 1861 to 1865. Lincoln's presidency is often defined by one of the most tumultuous periods in American history, the Civil War. Lincoln faced the enormous challenges of preserving the Union while also addressing the deep moral and political issue of slavery. His issuance of Emancipation Proclamation in 1863 was a landmark moment that paved the way for the abolition of slavery. Lincoln's key achievements include leading the country through the Civil War, issuing the Emancipation Proclamation, and delivering the Gettysburg Address, which redefined the nation's ideals of liberty and equality. His leadership, perseverance, and dedication to justice not only saved the Union but also reshaped the nation's identity, making Lincoln one of the greatest presidents in American history. Last but certainly not least, we have Franklin D. Roosevelt, the 32nd President of the United States, who served an unprecedented 4 terms from 1933 to 1945. He took office during the Great Depression, the worst economic crisis in U.S. history. His response to the Great Depression was nothing short of transformative. His New Deal programs helped restore confidence in the economy, provided jobs, and established social safety nets that continue to exist today. Some of his key achievements include implementing the New Deal, leading the nation through World War II, and establishing Social Security. His leadership during both a severe economic crisis and a global war solidified his legacy as one of the greatest U.S. presidents. His ability to inspire hope, implement bold policies, and steer the country through dark times make him a standout figure in American history. Of course, there have been many great presidents throughout American history. Honorable mentions include Thomas Jefferson, Theodore Roosevelt, and John F. Kennedy, each of whom left a lasting mark on the nation. These 3 presidents, Washington, Lincoln, and Roosevelt, each faced unique challenges and rose to the occasion with leadership and vision. Their legacies continue to shape the states today. Do you agree with our picks? Let's know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching and we will see you next time. Goodbye.